Hi, I'm Barb. I'm out here at Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to talk with you about an Apex, which is a Coachmen product. It's the 251 RBK. Super cool floor plan. The 251 is such a nice travel trailer. So as you enter here, and you can see that it's got a really nice sofa, a dedicated dinette, big huge refrigerator, and all the cabinets around here are deep and easy to reach. It's got a solid surface countertop. It's got a lot of stuff, a big huge storage area here in the bathroom, and a really nice shower. This shower is just about like the one that you have at home. It's got this walk around bed, and you can flip the TV around. It's got charging stations on each side, storage up above. Isn't it nice to have a window in your bedroom? Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this trailer. Didn't you like it? It's got such a nice layout. It's lightweight. You'll always find a place to park it. Give me a call. My name is Barb. I'm at 541-521-4232. Looking forward to helping you.